Hi there, I'm Ismail from Pelham. When you use AI tools like ChatGPT or Perplexity AI, you might notice something interesting. Sometimes the answer clearly comes from one source, other times it's a combination of multiple sources merged together. So the question is, how does AI decide when one source is enough and when it needs multiple? The decision is part of what we call composition strategy, how AI builds answers from available information. AI systems generally operate in two modes when generating answers. The first is single source mode, when one page provides a complete and reliable answer. The second is multi source mode, where information is gathered from multiple pages and combined. This decision is not random, it depends on how confident the system is in the available information. AI will often rely on a single source when that source provides clear, complete, and well structured answer. For example, a precise definition, a straightforward explanation, a well organized guide. If one page fully satisfies the query, there's no need to pull from multiple sources. This is especially common for simple or well defined sources. When no single source fully answers the question, AI switches to combining multiple sources. This can happen when different pages cover different parts of the topic, one source lacks depth, or multiple perspectives are needed. For example, a complex topic might require one source for definition, another for examples, and another for best practices. The AI merges this into one cohesive response. A key factor in this decision is confidence. If the AI is highly confident that one source is accurate and complete, it may rely on that source alone. If confidence is lower, for example, there's unclear wording, partial answers, or inconsistent information, it will look for additional sources to confirm and strengthen the answer. This reduces the risk of giving incomplete or incorrect information. Using multiple sources allows AI systems to verify information. If several sources agree on the same point, it increases confidence in that information. If there are any differences, the AI may prioritize the most consistent version or avoid uncertain details. This process helps improve the reliability of the final answer. If you want your content to be used as a single source, it needs to feel complete on its own. That means answering the questions clearly, covering key points, and avoiding gaps in explanation. A page that requires users to look elsewhere is more likely to be supplemented with other sources. Even if your content isn't complete, it can still be available. AI systems often pull specific pieces from different pages. For example, your page might provide the best definition, another page might provide the best example. So instead of thinking, I need the full answer, your aim should be the best part of the answer. Now, to summarize, AI decides between single source and multiple sources answers based on how complete a page is and how confident it is in that content. If your page fully answers the query, it can stand alone. If it contributes a strong piece of information, it can be included as part of a larger answer. In AI SEO, you are not just competing to rank, you are competing to either own the answer or contribute to it. If you found this content to be useful, please make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you on the next one. Goodbye.